Alright, let's tear into this RTX Pro 5000 Blackwell, NVIDIA's latest monster of a graphics card. This isn't just some incremental upgrade, this son of a bitch is packing serious quantum leaps under the hood. We're talking next-gen Blackwell architecture, leaving Ampere and Ada Lovelace in the dust. You want raw power? The Blackwell's got compute units coming out its digital ass. AI workloads, choose through that like a rabid Wolverine on a Red Bull binge. Machine learning, ray tracing, data science, climate modeling. This card could probably calculate how many aliens are laughing at us from Andromeda. Loaded with more CUDA and tensor cores than you can shake a quantum stick at. What about VRAM? We're entering holy shit territory. Rumors are this beast packs upwards of 32 gigs of GDDR7. Not just for your little Fortnite addiction, this is serious big data, deep learning, simulation wizardry. Real researchers will drool. And PCIe Gen 5, you want bandwidth? This will funnel info so fast your motherboard will need seatbelts. But here's the kicker, energy efficiency. Blackwell ain't just about burning watts, it's smarter with power, AI-driven scheduling, predictive workloads, dynamic voltage voodoo. Not just brute force, a calculated killer, a digital assassin. What does this mean? The RTX Pro 5000 Blackwell isn't just a GPU, it's a leap forward for crazy-ass scientists. Engineers and coders ready to rocket humanity into the next era of computing. Overkill for most mortals? Probably. But for visionaries racing to outthink the universe, this is the new Excalibur. Now go melt some goddamn atoms.